funny.
You can't help it.
Love your outfit.
How are you, John? I named a room in the house after you.
That's great.
Get on in there.
Hi, ETT squad.
So nice.
This is so nice. We're gonna head to. Where are we gonna head to? The Treehouse Villas. Treehouse Villas. And then we go to Saratoga Springs.
We're ready.
And right now we're at Old Key West. It's harder because of the wind. Gee, oh, what way is it, sweet? This way, straight?
Oh.
Huh? Yeah. Actually, it's hard because of the wind. Whoa.
We're heading over to the DVC Sales Center at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort. They're having a sales event exclusively for current DVC owners for the brand new Disney Riviera Resort, which will be the 15th DVC property. Which resort or resorts do you own? Let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear. The Riviera Resort was inspired by Walt and Lillian's travels throughout Europe and the Mediterranean coastline. The main lobby will be elegant, with a mix of modern and classic 20th century furnishings. The restaurants will have European-style cuisine like Topolino's Terrace, located on the rooftop, inspired by the cliffside restaurants of the Riviera. ETT squad, we're here for an event. Disney Riviera Resort. Check this out. It's gonna be gorgeous. We enjoyed some French-inspired appetizers like the artisan cheese tart, Capri seared beef carpaccio, and the pan-fried whitefish before the event started.
Hi, everybody. We're going to walk over here this way. If everybody's ready, come on over here this way. Hi, everyone. It's me, DVC. We're going to walk into this other room right this way. How are you, Michelle?
Macaroons, and then chocolate truffles. I love these. I wonder what flavor that is, like chocolate with raspberry or orange?
I don't know.
We'll find out.
I should start by saying bonjour. Well, for those of you who don't know me, I'm DVC. That the Disney Vacation Club was my idea. I found out that Disney was going to create its 15th vacation resort destination. I hit the road looking for new inspiration. And of course, as all of my travels take me, I wanted to go to a place where there was plenty of
Croissant, café. Café, croissant.
Des toi! It'll look better when the paint dries. But listen, it's okay. I can work on it because this place doesn't open until the end of the year. And that means what? All of you amazing people and that guy over there, you get to go and tour the rooms. Would you like that?
The studio villas have a shower and a toilet area separated with a pocket door to the vanity sink and another shower with a tub. Nice new shampoo dispensers and beautiful marble throughout. Here you have the kitchenette inside a studio villa, European-inspired artwork throughout, queen-size bed with a nice lighting, and check this out.
Cars.
I was gonna say there's a car.
Lightning McQueen.
And then a car down there. It's a car in the
Yeah.
I love that. What's on the back of this?
That is so pretty. So Lightning McQueen's right in the painting. And the bed goes down, right?
It's gonna come out.
This is so nice at Riviera. The rooms are gorgeous.
Check that out. Wow, no! Look at 101 Dalmatians.
Come on, Thunderbolt!
I like the way they have a bed now, because other times it was the small bed. Are they going to still have the small bed?
Yeah, right over there.
Oh wow, and you're going to have this bed instead of the sofa. I like the way it's a sofa and then it comes out to a real bed. I love it. Oh, no way, check this out. That is beautiful. I like the way they have all these. And this is the studio in here? What do you think? You like it? It's cute.
And the nice thing with they publish it too.
The one bedroom next door.
The studio has a lot of
So you still have the arms side.
Yeah, so this is the studio. I love this studio. I mean, there's so much area. There's so many beds.
It's a lot bigger.
You got the sofa, pull out as a pretty much like a regular bed instead of a regular sofa. Sleep out.
so much better.
So much better. What an improvement. The Riviera is gorgeous. Look at the bed.
Here's the kitchen and family room in the 1 and 2 bedroom villas. Dining table with built-in bench.
And I like the way they have all the different paintings. And then check this sofa, sleep out. There's a bunch of different paintings. You have Peter Pan.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
I love the mini Mickey.
I like the sofa. It's a big sofa.
Where do I buy the brave little Taylor frame?
So pretty. Wow.
That actually really smart. Do you guys think that they'll sell the art?
I don't know. I mean, that would be smart in a merchandise location, right?
They have the sofas are right, a beautiful sofa. It's not a tacky sofa.
Oh, that's beautiful.
It's a big sofa.
And it's, look at their different
Or like sketches of the artwork. So if they sold it, I think it would be really love that headboard.
Oh,
You have tapped.
Yeah, this actually looks like our room.
No, but you need to make another one like this.
Amy, even with like the cat.
This is Oh, look at the paintings with the cats.
They're at the Riviera.
Well, even with all the art, it's our room.
This is.
This is literally
This is.
send me that picture.
I love that. Yes. The master bathroom has a separate vanity sinks. This one located across from the tub with the marble wall.
The room might actually be a little bit bigger. I'm not sure though.
It's like giant.
It's just, it's probably about
In
the
a
same,
separate
but,
area, you have the toilet with shower and another vanity sink.
the living room.
It's a great layout. I love it.
The living room and
Oh,
the kitchen
that's
area is
fine.
bigger here.
Oh, the top. Do you remember seeing that? Yeah. No TV. Do you remember the TV?
Well,
I could I know that.
Remember?
lady.
Yeah.
I know that. Do you have a Sharpie? I'll sign the back of it.
I don't have a Sharpie. We'll see you next time.
Yeah,
Bring a Sharpie.
I'll be around.
That was a
I'll be
Sharpie.
here. Please subscribe to E-Trade Travel. It's where the people are happening.
Yeah, it's I call this. I think I was drunk.
They look alike. You can't tell them apart in the painting. You're a good artist. Very talented.
I'm self-taught.
You're self-taught. I like it. So cute. I'm doing a video, not a picture.
Phone down.
You see that?
I'm a videographer.
Give it to you because I want you to have it.
I'm gonna frame it.
With that, I know. I love
Oh, how pretty! Who drew that one? He drew. You're okay because there were several artists. There was other artists here. There's so many artists.
Yes.
I don't
All
know.
the impressionists.
All the impressions. Yes, we had a lot of gelato, and now we have the artist here. He's bonjour. He's
It is me, Monty the artist.
yes.
Yes.
Let me see your art. Let me see how you drew Mickey.
Oh, you want to see the Mickey?